A Sanibel staple from the 1950s is once again welcoming guests after being rebuilt from the ground up. Shalimar Beach Resort, a family-owned hotel dating back to the 1950s, was devastated by Hurricane Ian in 2022. Thankfully, it reopened in the fall of 2025 as the first newly built resort on Sanibel in nearly 40 years. Today, you and your family can choose from 33 brand new elevated accommodations, including hotel studios, one-bedroom villas, and two-bedroom villas. Each has a modern coastal feel, private screen lanais, fully equipped kitchens, and is just steps from Sanibel's iconic shoreline. The resort has 360 feet of private beachfront, where you can spend the day swimming in the Gulf, searching for Sanibel's famous shells, or just relaxing by the water. If you want Gulf views without getting sandy, there's a beachfront saltwater pool too. It's very popular with guests. Near the pool, there's a grill and picnic area, perfect for a family cookout or group gathering. And while it's tempting to stay at Shalimar all day, on-site rentals make it super easy to explore the island. There are golf carts, bikes, and even stylish mokes. The shops, restaurants, and local favorites that make Sanibel so special are all just a short ride away. If you want a list of my favorite places around the island, just check the caption for that. But you need to make it back to Shalimar Beach Resort for golden hour. Watch the sunset from the sand, or even take the elevator or stairs to the huge rooftop deck. It is a great spot to end the day on one of Florida's most beautiful barrier islands. I'm always on the hunt for memorable places to stay across the Sunshine State. Hit subscribe to find inspiration for your next getaway.